as well as the Bukamo Source Center. So out of 7 markets, I applied for one and I got the stall in one. Here with the strength and what I used Power Social Media. So it was like month 1, we were starting with 5,000 with a profit of 1.2. We're encouraged to attach your things that you're doing. Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. Welcome. Don't mind that. I'm a mother now, and that's my baby's tile. So after bathing him, I just left it there. I just hanged it in the way like that. Right now he's sleeping, so I don't have time to waste to go and pick it up and whatever. We need to start doing this video. This video is a well requested, needed video on this channel about how I got my stall at City of Windhoek. So right now I'm going to walk you through everything, the forms and everything, how they look like, on how to get a stall, everything. I'll give you in details, because the other video that is here on this channel is just a vlog on what was going on step by step. So welcome to today's video. My name is Mwaka, the Wifeprenuer. If it's your first time stopping by here, you're most welcome. On this channel I'll help you start your small business and help you grow it with the power of social media. Right, so this is a whole file where I put all of these municipality stuff. Right, so this is NWR. Let's put it upside. I don't know why it's there. So this is what the store thing looks like. So this is January of 2024. You better look out in the newspapers on the not spots of all the informal markets in Windhoek, informal markets in Windhoek by City of Windhoek. So this video is going to talk about specifically Windhoek informal markets, how to get a stall on any of the informal markets in the capital city of Windhoek, Namibia. So in 2023, in 2023, I can't remember the date, it's not here. The City of Windhoek posted this in the newspaper. It was in the New Era, and it was also on all the notice boards, all the municipality premises notice boards, as well as the markets, informal markets notice boards. All these things were put there, so be on the lookout. I spoke to someone there when I was asking him before I made this video. I was just inquired. He was like, very soon they will also post, because the closing date was 10 March. I don't know if you can see that, but it was 10 March. You can see that, yeah. These vacant premises, yeah, by City of Windhoek, public notice. So it was Oshitu Community Market, Madeng Nagenda Kanduluma Market, Bonsmara Market, Soweto Market, Okuliangava Office Market, Olympia and Western Suburb Swimming Pool Kiosk, Industrial Stalls, as well as the Bukamo Source Center, the one that is right in Katutura, from ShopRite Katutura, somewhere there you get it. So these other markets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of 7 markets, I applied for one and I got the stall in one. So the industrial places, we have the Katutura Industrial, which is the one right by ShopRite, behind ShopRite, where you see a lot of cars and everything. There's a lot of mechanics in there, but there was about 4 stalls that were there. And then we have the commercial industrial stall right behind Shell service station. There's stalls there. And then there's also Menarod Fowl. These ones I do not know where they are. So this thing, it showed how big the place is that is vacant, the premises, and also the monthly installment that is there. So they usually come out all the time and what. So immediately I saw this, I looked at Soweto Market. I got the stall that I wanted. I went to go check it before I applied, and then just to make sure. So this was the first thing. So the second thing was just give me a moment guys, give me a moment. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. I'm looking for the application form. Let me just get all 3 application forms. So this is the application form to lease a stall in one of these markets that I've mentioned. So you put your business name and everything else. There's also a part for the details of your business. This is the name of your business, where it's currently located right now as we speak, the contact number, the registration number if it is registered, social security numbers, but this says if applicable. So, and also the type of business it is, so you put all that there. And then the year your business was established, how many employees you have. This is just the profile of your entrepreneur. So how many people have you employed, why is your business unique, and if so, blah blah. Your highest qualification, the owner of the business, the strength of your that you possess as an entrepreneur for it to be successful, the weaknesses for your business. So all that you have to write. Funds, if you have donors and stuff, you put the nature of your business, you know, who are your target market, what is unique about your product or service, what type of marketing methods you'll be using, are you going to deliver and stuff, your product, your equipment, the machinery ready, the financial plan and all your banks and stuff. But I wanted to I'll show you, this is now the sketchy cash flow with estimated figures and how you're gonna work out your business and your profit, future and objectives and all that. So this application form here, it says application forms can be obtained at seat of Windhoek municipality head offices, number 103 and 110 on first floor economic development division, as well as the municipality offices in Yeshetu, Soweto Market and Soweto Market. Must be submitted to office number 103 or whatever. But yeah, so entrepreneurs are also encouraged to inquire about the vacant processes to have a better understanding of trading rules and regulations. I can't remember where it said where I have to attach, but there was a place where it said I had to attach. So this one was the first one that I used to apply. This is the clear one, the blanket one. So this is the one that I used. You may not see, okay, you can see I used a pencil, roughly, and also my strengths and everything. I used my social media, my highest qualification. Here with the strength and what I used power social media, most of my what are these? My rivals, some don't really utilize the power of social media. Nature of my business, I talk about own boss, encourage single mothers, because this question I was actually asked during the interviews, like how will I help the next people, how will I help, or what is the, where do I see myself in 5 years with my business? So this is where I incorporated this, having to help or encourage single mothers, offer free courses and stuff like that online, so that single mothers and any youngsters that are from universities, jobs are scarce. Not to talk about our new curriculum that talks about that where you drop out in grade 10, so people need to start businesses so that they can get on their feet. We all don't fit in offices, unfortunately. So what is unique about your product and services? It saves a certain nation or a group of people, or people from a specific place, but others can still it, but it's saving a specific thing. Method of marketing or social media, flyers, referral, and stuff like that. How are you going to deliver? I usually do deliveries. Do you have equipment, machineries? I said no. Of course, there I put whatever needed to be put on the financial thing. I don't have funding at all. So this was the projection. My brother-in-law helped me with the projection. So it was like month 1 we were starting with 5,000 with a profit of 1.2 at the end. So it was more realistic. We have the sales of 10,000. The opening cash was 5,000, sales 10.5, you know, which is 15k. Inventory 3,000. The salaries are going to employ 2 people, myself and someone. And yes, you need to pay yourself as a business owner. So that was going to be 2.5. Fixed assets 152, which is the rent. Insurance 0. Utilities, electricity 1,000. Advertising we put 200. Social Instagram ads. So that all comes up to that. And this is one thing that I have to learn myself. I did that in uni, but it was just a subject, a module once in a while, so I didn't pay attention. It's something that I need to pay attention to now. So that is how the form looks like. Now this form, I attached it together with where did I put that? I attached it together because we were encouraged to attach your things that you're doing. I just can't remember where it said. I don't know if it's someone who told me, but I know it was somewhere along. So this is what I attached to the application form with my ID, my business registration and all that. So this is also something that I added. This is basically my products, you know. That's where some of the things that I was going to sell and all that. Those are just pictures of what to sell. So this is also something that can help you get nominated, I guess, for interviews. Quality picture, invest in quality pictures so that, you know, it's a bit attractive. So that's what I did and applied. So after this we went for interviews, and then I finally got to get the store. So now this is the same. Yeah, right, there is a checklist. There is a checklist here, and this one should have had a checklist. I don't know where the checklist is of the things that you need to attach. So this is the Bukamoso Center that I was talking about. This is in Katutura, in Hans Teacher Street. So these are the things that you need to take with. I want it here because it's close to home. It's very close to home. But this SME certification, social security certification, VAT registration. I have this 6 months cash flow. I think that's the one. 6 months cash flow and the business plan. Those 2 things I didn't have. Okay, it says the first one is the business registration, which is the filing statement, certified copies of identity documents of your business partner if you are a partner, business profile 2 pages, business plan, photo of products or services that you're offering. That is where this came from. 6 month cash flow. So this basically means you must have a business account that is in very active for the past 6 months, and I didn't have that. So, and then we have the SME, the social security certificate, and the VAT. So this one I didn't bother at all because it's a lot of work. So you have all those things to fill in. They become also, so yeah, but here they're strict. They don't want tailoring because there's a lot of people that are already doing tailoring. What other thing did she tell me? It was tailoring. What else? Also mechanics, they don't like them there because they, not that they don't like them, but the space is too small to accommodate mechanics. So this is the lady that I was in bothering a lot. I'll leave this her business card there. Then you just go to City of Windhoek, the Division of Economic Development. That's where you get all the information. So guys, I hope this video was useful. Let me know in the comment section what else you need to know, in case I have I have something to share with you. In case I can respond to your question, I will definitely do so. So guys, stay tuned. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I'm here to share with you everything on how you can start your small business. If you're a newbie, if you're a younger person, if you're a lady, anybody, you know, I'm just here for anybody. So guys, make sure that you subscribe, share this video to anyone that may benefit from it. I'll see you guys in my next video.